Today we're going to explore a wonderful natural liver and blood vessel cleanse drink recipe that can significantly boost your health. Let's take a look at the herbs we'll be using: milk thistle or Silybum marianum, dandelion root, known scientifically as Taraxacum officinale, turmeric or Curcuma longa, and ginger, which is Zingiber officinale. Now let's delve into the scientific benefits of these herbs. Milk thistle contains silymarin, known for its liver protective properties. It aids in liver regeneration and detoxification. Dandelion root acts as a diuretic, promotes bile production, and supports liver detoxification. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect the liver and improve cardiovascular health. Ginger enhances digestion, reduces inflammation, and improves blood circulation, which benefits both the liver and blood vessels. For this recipe, you'll need 1 teaspoon of dried milk thistle seeds, 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, which is optional for taste, and 1 cup of water. Preparation of herbs. Measure 1 teaspoon each of dried milk, thistle seeds and dried dandelion root. Measure 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Grate fresh ginger to get 1 teaspoon, or use half a teaspoon of ground ginger, if that's what you have on hand. Brewing the herbal tea. In a small saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add the dried milk thistle seeds and dried dandelion root to the boiling water. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the ground turmeric and grated ginger to the mixture. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from heat and allow the mixture to steep for an additional 5 minutes. Straining and serving, strain the mixture into a cup to remove the solid herbs. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey if desired for sweetness. Consumption. Drink this herbal tea once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal benefits. Here are a couple of tips to get the most out of your detox drink. First, consistency is key. For best results, consume this drink daily for at least 2 to 4 weeks. Also, don't forget about hydration. Ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush toxins from your body. An important note before you begin: before starting any new health regimen, especially those involving herbal supplements, consult with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. If you're curious about the sources of our information, here are some references you might find useful: silymarin in milk thistle and liver health, dandelion root and liver detoxification, dandelion benefits, curcumin and liver protection, turmeric's cardiovascular benefits, ginger's health benefits, and ginger and blood circulation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Your support helps us bring more great content your way.